One trend at South by Southwest this year was Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin companies brush off any suggestion that there could be some risk in this currency.
There are some pretty compelling advantages for businesses. It's lower risk and lower cost than every other form of payment that they take, including credit cards and even cash. But not only that, if you're an internet business, with Bitcoin you can immediately open your business to a worldwide customer base because Bitcoin is on the internet. And so when companies like WordPress want to be able to reach emerging markets, it's difficult with PayPal and credit cards, which are blocked from 2/3 of the world. But with Bitcoin now they can actually service the entire world.
We make money as a company. We purchase hardware months in advance. So we're paying a certain price to buy hardware months in advance, taking on risk. And unfortunately right now in the mining arena, purchasing hardware, there's a lot of risk associated with it. A lot of times you don't get the hardware on time, it's late, which basically for every day a piece of mining hardware is late, you're essentially losing money and from that hardware, from its value. So we take on all of the risk by putting in an initial investment, and then we resell to the consumers once we actually have the hardware in place. So we're providing a way for people to easily get Bitcoins, put them in their wallets, and it's just a very simple process to get into the Bitcoin world.
The Street asked these companies if they had any concern about the recent problems with Mt. Gox. All of them said they were comfortable with the level of risk in this currency.
The issue with Mt. Gox and the exchanges and that exchange going down, it's here to stay, and you can already see that Bitcoin is kind of leveled out. But the idea is that retailers are looking to accept the cryptocurrency because it isn't going to go away, but they want to be able to accept a larger variety of currencies, and currencies that by the time they accept it and by the time they cash it out for dollars doesn't change dramatically, where they've lost any margin they would have had on accepting those goods for the currency.
Just like any other type of currency or commodity, there's always going to be things surrounding it that may not put it in the best light, but at the same time there's so many positive qualities that outweigh the negative that I'm a firm believer in it. There's still a lot of people that are firm believers in it.
You have to be careful. If you trust somebody else with your money, you need to do your due diligence, make sure that they're reputable. I keep all of my Bitcoins myself. I don't leave them at any type of exchange.
Of course, all of these companies believe in Bitcoin, and none of them have any concerns about the risk.
If you buy something through Overstock with Bitcoin, it's crazy simple. I mean, literally they put up an address or a QR code. You can link it to your wallet, and within 2 seconds the purchase is done. You provide them a shipping address, walk away. No taxes.
I try to spend them whenever I can. Like here at South by, there's a couple of the food trucks outside that will take Bitcoin. So we ate lunch today and paid with Bitcoin, which was great.